John Cena made it famous in wrestling, big time wrestling. He made it famous by saying and doing a thing across his face where he'd wave his hand and he'd say, "You can't see me." Well, "you can't see me" is a terrible, terrible way to be a salesman. Now, I will tell you this. You don't have to be the loudest guy in the room to make the most money, but they do have to see you, yes? What do you mean by that, Liam? Well, make sure you've got some things out there that they know about. Social media is a great way for people to see you, yes? Get out of the community, be a coach, be a volunteer, be somebody that they see on a constant basis. Be genuine about what you want them to see. I tell people all the time, character is just who you are when nobody's around. So a lot of times, if you're trying to set a good impression and you're places you shouldn't be or doing things you shouldn't be doing, it's going to go against what you're trying to represent. Yes? "You can't see me" is a good thing sometimes because it's a way that you present yourself that makes everybody else not know how or where they stand out against you. A lot of times I tell people that just doing the simple things make the biggest difference. Make the things where, where maybe, I know a lot of financial people and entrepreneurs and real estate people don't take the time to reapproach a client that they wrote maybe 2 or 3, 4 years ago. If they can't see you, there's a good chance they're going to go see somebody else. Make sure that you're letting them know what you're still doing and what you're all about and that they still matter to you. A lot of times I talk to people that make money off of commissions and they'll say, "Well, they made my commission. What do I care?" Well, that's not a very good attitude, number one. Number two, it could be very detrimental in the future of losing clients. Yes? I read the other day where a company had lost lots and lots and lots of clients, hundreds of thousands of clients, as a matter of fact. They're a competitor of mine, and I read up on it, and it was because they didn't stay in touch with their clients. And they were making quite a bit of money on their school program, and they went belly up. I think a lot of it had to do with they got rid of the guy who was the founder. They thought they were bigger than that, bought him out, moved on. Well, a lot of companies that buy people out, I said the majority of them don't make it, right? So "you can't see me" can be good, but in most cases, it can be bad. Yes?